Hey everyone, it's Anna here, and if you're here to learn more about the ProDentim supplement, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I've got all the details for you. But first, let's cover some important points, so make sure that you're listening very closely. First off, if you're thinking about getting ProDentim, remember that it's only sold on the manufacturer's official website. That's where you'll find the real deal. But don't worry, I have included the link to the official ProDentim website in the description below just to make it easier for you. Now on to ProDentim itself. It's a natural supplement packed with probiotics and lactobacilli, specifically designed to shield our teeth from the harmful effects of certain foods, especially sugary ones, that can harm our oral health. It forms as a protective layer while also supplying essential vitamins and nutrients to keep our teeth in top shape. The formula has been extensively researched and tested, so you can trust that it's safe. But let's dive a bit deeper into why ProDentim is such a game changer. So our modern diets are often high in sugars and processed foods, which can wreak havoc on our oral health. ProDentim tackles this issue head-on by providing our teeth with the support they need to withstand these dietary challenges. By forming a protective layer and supplying vital nutrients, ProDentim not only helps prevent decay and cavities, but also promotes overall oral health and hygiene. So, does it deliver results? I know you might be asking. Well, it seems so. But remember, it is made from natural ingredients, so it requires commitment and consistency in your regimen. Your body needs time to absorb all of those nutrients and vitamins, and everyone's bodies reacts differently. By sticking to the ProDentim regimen, taking it daily for at least 3 months, you're likely to see some impressive results. And ProDentim is FDA approved and there's no known side effects, which makes it a safe and reliable choice for individuals of all ages. Whether you're a teenager struggling with cavities or an adult looking to maintain optimal oral health, ProDentim has you covered. And let's not forget about the 60-day guarantee. This gives you peace of mind to try ProDentim risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can simply request a refund, no questions asked, you guys. So there you have it. I hope that I've addressed all of your questions. If you have any more, make sure that you check out that official website, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.